good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Happy Tuesday, happy Tuesday. You wanna see Faves? See Faves there? Say morning, Faves. You wanna carry your bus to school? No, you can't carry your bus to school. Not today, okay? So you'll see your bus when you get back home and you'll play with it in your room, right? Okay. Say morning, Faves. Tell them where we're going.
To school.
Yeah. You guys, it's early in the morning and doing my routine. Dropping my baby at school. But first, after school, then after dropping him to school, I am heading to town because I need to go and take my nails off, but I'm not gonna redo them today because I want to give them a break. I always give them a break after I get them done. And also I like to do my hair without my nails. When I say do my hair, like if I'm putting in, like if I'm putting, yeah, like if I'm putting in extensions, I don't like to do it with my nails. It just feels weird. All right, so I need to do my hair for an event that I'll have in 2 weeks. So it's a perfect time to take my nails off and let them breathe, because then I'll have to redo my nails for that event. So I'm gonna take my nails off in town. That's where my nail tech is. So I'm going to drop Tal at school and then jump on the bus. There's a bus that passed just after I drop him at school, so I'm gonna catch that bus and head to town and do that. Might have lunch with babe. You saw the dog? Might have lunch with babe before I get back home, but let's see. Yeah, you see the dog? But anyway, you guys, it is a brand and beautiful day. It's a brand new day, a beautiful day to be happy to be alive, to give thanks and to stay blessed and stay loved and just be vibrant and staying positive about anything, just anything at all in this life. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my way. Just have a good day, and if it's the first time to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Catch up and keep up with the fam. And of course, baby's off to work. He's back to our regular routine. Baby's off to work, so you guys will see babe later. Anyway, you guys, I'm out. Tyler's off to school. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, go, 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 go. Hi Fibs, you guys, today has been real. I have been back from the nail shop. I got my nails done. I took them off and nails all fresh again. I am not going to get them redone until 2 weeks time, where I have to go to a wedding. So I have to get my hair done and give them a little break, let them breathe a bit. I'm back home, and I have been home helping someone on the phone that I don't even know. You know that when I can help somebody, it's really a blessing. I feel like it's my job to help, you know, and when someone need my help, I'm always happy to help. So I've been helping this lady who has been a subscriber to our channel for the longest while, when we were low in numbers, lower than we are right now. She always comments, she always watches our vlogs, and she wanted to start a channel for her kids, and she reached out to me, and I was so honored to help her. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I've been on the phone, we chatted and we talk and I teach her the little that I know about YouTube, though I have so much more to learn. But it was I was happy to teach her what I know and tell her what I know. Anyway, you guys, I have so much to do around here. First thing on my agenda, I need to just attack that kitchen, and I need to cook and make dinner and just get the kitchen over with. And then I need to wash my hair. I need to tidy up this house. I need to unpack from yesterday. I have so much to do, y'all, but I'm gonna get it done. And I need to go pick up Tyler from school in about an hour and a half, or would I say about an hour and 20 minutes. Anyway, let's go, because I have a lot to do around here, shawty. Comment down below and tell me what your day is like. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying pumped and energetic. And I also want to work out today, but let's see if I'm gonna get that done. Anyway, you guys, let's go on with today. When you're home and you're busy, the time go by so fast. But when you're home and you have nothing to do, the clock is like never ever ever moving. Oh my gosh, all I got to do is wash up the dishes, and I'm making dinner just in time to go and get Tyler from school. So dinner is well on its way. Comment down below and guess what am I making for dinner today. Let's see who is gonna get it right. A hint, it's something that I've been into a lot lately. I mean, for the protein, but for the veggies, you guys will definitely guess it. And for the carbs, you guys will definitely guess what it is. But for the protein, it's something that I've been into a lot lately. Let's see how good you are at watching when I'm cooking. Dun 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 dun. And if you guess filet mignon, you're right. Yes, that's filet mignon going down. And quinoa over here. And veggies, corn, broccoli, and carrots. Yes, for the win. So, my filet mignon kind of brown too much on this side, but that's okay. It's almost finished for this part. And then I'm gonna take it out and put my sesame sauce on it, and that will be heaven. So dinner is well on its way, bam bam on its way. If you've been watching a lot lately, then you would know exactly how I like to cook my filet mignon. Is that I just brown it a little bit, and then I just slice it up in bite-sized pieces while it's runny and juicy, and then I'm gonna put it back into the pot with my sesame sauce. While it's still juicy. That looks so good. Oh, I want to eat this piece. This piece is not going back into the pot at all. like it there. I've been into this a lot lately. Every week that I go to supermarket, I have to pick this up and eat it at least once per week. And now I'm gonna add my sesame sauce to it. I need to find this sesame sauce to buy because it's about to finish right now. It's the last of it and I didn't even realize it. I need to go and find this, so I need to put it on my supermarket list. Am I the only one that keep a supermarket list in the kitchen? If my husband and I don't keep a supermarket list or keep a list in the kitchen of things that we want, we're just total disaster and mess. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Who wants to come over for dinner? I wanna come over for dinner. Less than an hour and dinner is ready. Boom. My babies shall have a feast tonight. My boys shall be happy. Who is home? Who is that? Who is that? Me. Yeah. As he got in, as I pick him up, he said, Mama, I want dinner and I want juice. You want dinner and juice? What's in your plate? What you having for dinner? Yeah, and what else? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
This?
Pork.
Food.
Yeah.
I love food.
You love pork. Aww. You had a good day at school today?
Yeah.
Tell the face what you did at school today.
Paw Patrol.
You did Paw Patrol at school today? No. No.
I want the Paw Patrol at home.
Oh, you want Paw Patrol at home?
Yeah.
It soon come on. Tell the face what you did at school today. What you did at school?
Eat at canteen.
You eat at canteen?
Yeah.
What you eat at canteen?
The bat.
Yeah. Pasta and what else? What else?
Bread.
And bread? Yes, and what else?
Cheese.
And cheese too? Wow, and what else? That's it?
Yes.
Cool.
But it's no more mayonnaise.
No more mayonnaise, right?
It's no
You guys may wonder, why is it every time he says he's eating bread? Because French tradition is naturally you eat bread whenever you're eating.
Juice.
That's all you ask for more juice?
May I have more juice?
Sure, I'll go and get it for you, okay?
Okay.
So my baby boy is home and I am going to also eat before I tackle the rest of the things that I have to do for today. You guys, so that's dinner for me. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna grab right now. Here, mission accomplished. Here's all done, so that's good. Now I'm going to give my baby a bath and put him down for the night because he has school early in the morning. You want to hide?
Yes.
Okay. Can I come?
No.
When can I come?
No.
You're so funny. He's so funny, that's how he hide. Okay, have to band now. I did you here. I did you here. When your kid is in the bath and he wants to caca, what do? You take him the potty. Oh. Wow. You almost caca on yourself. My child is hilarious. Tyler, you almost caca poop on yourself? What if I didn't go for your potty? You caca on yourself? No. Never caca on yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Never do that. Do you understand?
Yes.
Very good. Come, brush teeth while you caca. Don't put your hand in it, you know. It's stinky, Kai. Kai, your poo stinky. What you eat? What you eat at school?
In the bus.
You eat what?
And the bus.
You eat bread?
A bus.
You eat brush?
Yes.
You can't eat brush. I said, what you eat at school? Why your poo smell like that? Well, it's not school. It's what you eat over the weekend. Your stomach not feeling well?
No.
He is so funny. This poo smell bad. No, Lord. No, sir. Kaya, no, sir. Too much KFC yesterday, man. No, sir. This boy love to laugh. You're a comedian. You're a comedian. Yes. You go ha 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 ha. You're so funny. When you were a baby, your poo used to 3 times stink as this one. You know? Your poo used to be so stinky. Your papa used to run from you.
Yes.
Papa used to hate changing the big explosion.
Yes.
Sometimes they come through the pampers, people big. You know? When you were a baby, you used to poo a lot. You know, this is the reason why we started YouTube. Tyler laughing like this when he was a baby. He used to have the longest, biggest, loudest laugh. Just laugh at anything that you do. Everything that you do. That's how you used to laugh as a baby, you know that? Yeah. That's exactly why we started YouTube, because I think that his laugh was hilarious. And when we used to post his little laughs on Facebook, people used to say, you should start a YouTube channel. You should start because of your little laugh. You why we started YouTube. You why we started because you used to laugh so much. And still does this. And his laugh make you laugh. You're so funny.
Mise un feu de camp et invite Minnie, c'est Dingo, pour déguster des marshmallows sous le ciel étoilé.
Okay, time to do notification shout out.
Mama.
The notification shout out goes to. No, say it. The notification shout out goes to. Josette Walters. Thanks for watching. We love you.
I love you.
See you guys
Tomorrow.
Alright. Okay, say prayers.
Mama. People. bless me and make me a good child for Christ's sake. Amen.
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 Thank you, Lord, for this house, for my mom and papa, and for all my family and friends. Amen.
Amen.